This is a touching story of a family of 30 people who had booked a flight and traveled to another city for their son's wedding. As it was COVID pandemic time, they took absolute precise, highest possible precautions, but unfortunately, COVID was stronger than any of those things. And as the wedding got over, नई दुल्हन की विदाई कराकर घर आए, 29 out of them caught severe infection, including the new bride and the groom. One lovely lady from this family had been my client, and she frantically called me from Delhi. Told me, ma'am, only me and my husband's reports were negative all this while, till today, as 28 of us were positive. Just now, my husband's report has arrived and he too is declared positive. I was having tea with him. I left my tea and have rushed to my room and locked myself up and am calling you from my room. मैम, अब हम क्या करें? हम नहीं चाहते कि हमें कोविड हो, बट चांसेस नहीं लग रहे क्योंकि I was hugging my son and daughter-in-law and just now was sitting and eating with my husband. मैम, अब क्या करें? आप कुछ कर सकती हैं क्या? And as I never say no to any case, even the most complicated cases, डॉक्टर्स के जवाब दिए हुए केसेस, केसेस विद नो होप, किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम या इशू होता है, आई बिलीव इफ इट हैज कम टू मी, then universe has brought it to me. There is a larger purpose and therefore I will take it up, so that later I can shout out with joy and praise the God Almighty, my higher self, infinite intelligence that works through me. And I vouch for it that till date no case has ever gone unhealed or unresolved. All glory to the Most High. So I told her, तुम्हें हम कोविड नहीं होने देंगे, तुम डरो मत. And as she knew me from some previous sessions, she had reasons to believe me, but still said, ma'am, possible नहीं लग रहा इस बार. I am the 30th one from that group and all 29 are in bad condition and down. Couple of relatives are in ICU on the ventilators. And I repeated to her, if you listen to me and promise me to do what I tell you to do, you will not get COVID, period. You forget the 29 other near dear ones. Just listen to me as you have called me for help. She agreed. And I told her, सुबह 5 बजे उठना होगा और नेक्स्ट 5 दिन तक मेरे साथ सुबह सुबह 1 घंटे का सेशन लोगी with your headphones on. मैं बोलूंगी, तुम सुनोगी. बोलो, मंजूर? She was more than keen to do it. I was in Goa, she was in Delhi. For the next 5 days, I used to wake up for her session at sharp 4:44 a.m. and walk out next to our block to our society swimming pool extending into vast ocean like an infinity pool. That splashing vast ocean sound of the waves and breeze used to give me the strength, and I was giving strength to whoever I could. One was she. So she used to be ready with her headphones at sharp 5 a.m. for next 5 days. And voila, her joy knew no bounds as she tested herself several times for the entire COVID season, always to find that she was reported negative each time, always. And her whole family was surprised and astonished. They named me as Miracle Ma'am. She laughed and told me, "Ma'am, my family calls you तुम्हारी Miracle Ma'am." Ma'am, ये हुआ कैसे? And I explained to her, जर्म तभी अट्रैक्ट करती ना जब जर्म की फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब्रेट करती. I did not let you dip down to the vibration of the germ. As simple as that. And friends, this is the truth. When we are vibrating at powerful frequency of love, joy, peace, patience, goodness, kindness, faithfulness, connecting to the powerful God Spirit inside and outside of us, we see miracles and many, many, many more of them. So then almost everyone in her family, including her husband, who doesn't believe in anything but allopathic medication, came to me for quick individual recoveries. Her Jethani, her husband's elder brother's wife, was on ventilator and very, very critical condition in ICU. I told her it is high time you clean up your issues and seek forgiveness from her soul and give forgiveness to her soul in all directions of time, space, reality, and prove it to me by paying her energy exchange, that is fees, from your pocket for her healing. She did exactly that, and the Jethani came out of the ICU walking on her feet to shock and surprise everyone. There are innumerable COVID stories which I might cover later in some other video, but here I would repeat to all dear souls listening to this, always choose faith over fear and become a testament of love. Love you all.